They grow tall like the redwoods in California, which can be taller than your house, or they can be tiny and just grow out of the cracks of the pavement like the dandelions on your walk to school. By now, you probably are pretty smart and can tell the difference between a plant and an animal. A plant is usually green and grows in the ground. They don't have legs or fur, so they can't move around like a cat or a horse. But just like animals, they are alive, and all they need to survive is sunlight and water. So today we're going to learn all about the different parts of the plant, like roots, stems, flowers, fruits, and leaves. And to help me explain and help us learn all about plant parts, we're going to be talking to my friend, the plant professor, and she knows everything about plant parts. She is one smart cookie, so make sure to pay close attention to what she has to say.
Let's talk about plant parts, starting with roots. Even though we can't always see roots underground, they are so important to the health of a plant. Roots help the plant stay strong in the ground and absorb vitamins and nutrients from the soil. Some people think that it's the leaves that drink the water for the plant, but really it's the roots that absorb and store the water from our watering cans and from when it rains. If you have eaten a carrot before, you have eaten a root. As you move up the plant from the roots, you will find the stem. The stem is like a big highway for water and nutrients. The stem sucks up the water from the roots like a straw, and it sucks down sugars from the sun down to the roots. If you've eaten celery before, you have eaten a stem. Asparagus is also a stem. The craziest stem is a potato or sweet potato. These are actually enlarged stems called tubers that live underground. The next plant part that we also often eat are leaves. Leaves are responsible for something you may have learned about in school. Basically, what happens is that leaves are able to turn sunlight into sugars that are used for the plant's energy. That's why we always need to make sure our plants get enough sunshine. What plant part do goats like the most? Pretty sure it's a leaf. The next plant part on our list are flowers and flower buds. And I know what you're thinking. Do we really eat flowers? The answer is yes. You've probably eaten a flower in your lifetime. Flowers attract bugs, butterflies, and bees, making it possible for plants to reproduce, grow seeds, and fruits. This is called pollination. These are strawberry flowers, so after they're pollinated, they will turn into strawberries. If you've eaten broccoli, then you've eaten a flower bud before. When the process of pollination turns our flowers and flower buds into fruits and vegetables, that's when we often get the most excited about our gardens. The main purpose of fruits and vegetables are to hold and protect seeds. Plants are even so smart that they've made their fruits and vegetables taste really good so that animals like us will eat them, poop them out somewhere where they can grow new seeds. Because seeds are the starting point to all plant life, they tend to be full of nutrients and energy for us.
Wow! Thanks, plant professor, for teaching me all about the different parts of plants. Now that we've learned so much about plants and their different parts, I want to put that knowledge to the test. First, you all are going to look at pictures of plants. You're going to see if you can identify all of their parts. So if you look at this apple tree, I can see that there are some stems, some leaves, some fruits, and beneath the soil I think there are some roots. After you've mastered plant part identification, the next thing you're going to do is go into the garden and do some weeding. Once you've done all of your weeding, I want you to keep one weed. You're going to take it back inside and draw a picture of it. As you're drawing, I want you to see if you can find all the different plant parts we talked about.